Okay, my friends, good evening, everybody. This is Brian with VetteSource again, checking in. Figured I'd do another one of these fun little Corvette guess our parts here video. I noticed the last couple I've made, you guys have enjoyed those, or we've had a lot of fun with them. I'm going to do this one tonight. I had to come up with this one just because I think this one's so cool. This is not really a parts identification. This is more of a Corvette geeks guide here to Corvettes, everything that's Corvette. So some of you may know this already, but a lot of you may not. I'm not going to identify what this came off of, but as you can see here, I'm kind of focusing on these little symbols here. So if you look here, that first symbol is a baseball and a baseball bat, right? And we've got a hot dog. Then we've got an apple pie. That is an apple pie, by the way. I think those are apple slices if I'm looking at it closely enough. And then you got Chevrolet. So there was a slogan for Chevrolet during one time that basically ran along the lines of baseball, hot dogs, apple pie, and Chevrolet. They all go together. You know, that was kind of their catchphrase marketing thing they did. So this here is something that's actually installed in a Corvette. It's like a fun little mold marker. Whoever did the mold, they put this in the mold, and this actually is in a Corvette. So again, Corvettes are about as American as apple pie. Corvette, Chevrolet, apple pie. The question is, where is this? Right now, it even took me a little while before I figured out even noticed this. As a matter of fact, I'd probably torn down many dozens of cars before I even saw it and kind of went, oh, that is way cool. So it's kind of like an insider's little secret that one of the fun things the engineers probably did, because this is molded into a part of the car that you would never actually see this unless you were kind of getting deep into the car. So that's why it may elude some people. I actually know one viewer that may figure out where this is pretty quickly if they've ever noticed it, but it's extremely easy to overlook, and it's just kind of a little fun thing. It's a trivia thing that I mess with guys a lot, and I go, yeah, look, there's even a slogan here in these Corvettes. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Make a comment, where you think this came out of, what year, what model. Because interestingly enough, it's not in all the models. It's only in a specific model of Corvette, only for a certain amount of years. And again, I think it was kind of just an inside joke, like what you'd hear about at the factory where they stuff Coke bottles in the frame rails of some cars back in the 60s. You know, oddities that the assembly line workers would do. This was probably just an inside joke with the engineering crew or the guys that were making this. Maybe even no, I don't think at that point Fisher Body was still making, but I'm not going to give too much more away. I'm just going to let you guys take a look at it, tell me what you think. I think it's super cool. I saved this from a particular car and hung it on my wall just because I thought it was neat. It's a neat little conversation piece. So let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. I should be working on some more cars this weekend, actually, so I'll have some more videos for you guys of some of the things I've been doing, tear down to the tune port injection, maybe a little bit of work on our formulas and some other cars. So talk to you guys then, and we'll check back next time. Thanks again for watching.